experiment to make the volcano erupt. When it's inside, we call it magma. When it flows outside, we say it's the lava, and the lava will eventually cool down and it will form new rock. In this unit, we are following the next generation science standards for 2nd grade, and we are creating models of landforms and bodies of water on Earth. Very flat area of grass. What is that called? Plain. Good. Ms?
Valley,
A valley.
and a canyon.
Canyon. Excellent. Great.
Lessons like this build students' curiosity in science because it turns learning into a real-world experience.
So let's do our experiment. Who would like to come up and help me? Okay, for the first part, I think, okay, Demas. First of all, we need to fill in half a cup of water. So about, you see here, 125 ml.
Instead of just looking at pictures of a volcano erupting or watching a video, students can actually see and create a volcanic eruption for themselves, which gets them really excited and engaged, and it causes them to think critically, to ask questions, to predict what will happen, and to also observe what happens in the experiments. Hands-on learning makes science fun for students, and it helps them to connect abstract concepts in science and abstract vocabulary to the real world. So when students build their own landforms, they are able to understand the vocabulary better when they create the landforms themselves with clay, and it also accommodates different learning styles.
Today we make our project science. This is the volcano. The green thing is some jungles, and this part is the field.
During this activity, I was impressed by students showing our global learning outcomes like collaboration and critical thinking skills, and it was great to see students' participation and engagement in the lesson.